Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English B grammar page number 45. Topic is formation of adjectives. Many adjectives are formed by adding the following suffixes to nouns, verbs and adjectives: ish, ful, less, I V E O U S A L Y I V E L Y. Next, point number 1. We form some adjectives by adding ish or ful to nouns. For example, noun fool, adjective foolish. Next, noun white, adjective whitish. Next, noun black, adjective blackish. Next, noun beauty, adjective beautiful. Next, noun color, adjective colorful. Next, noun is faith, adjective faithful. Next, point number 2. We form some adjectives by adding less or ous to nouns. For example, noun fair, adjective fearless. Next, noun is care, adjective careless. Next, noun is leaf, adjective leafless. Next, noun is glory, adjective glorious. Next, noun is envoy, adjective invoice. Next, noun is courage, adjective courageous. Next, point number 3. We form some adjectives by adding IVE to some verbs. For example, first verb is talk, adjective talkative. Next verb is act, adjective active. Next verb is create, adjective creative. We form some adjectives by adding al to some adjectives. For example, first adjective is tragic. By adding al, it becomes tragical. Next adjective is comic. By adding al, it becomes comical. Next adjective is cleric. By adding al, it becomes clerical. Next, point number 4. We form some adjectives by adding y or ive. For example, first noun is storm, adjective stormy. Next, noun is dirt, adjective dirty. Next, noun is isle, adjective isly. Next, noun is sun, adjective sunny. Next, noun is expense, adjective is expensive. Next, noun is attraction, adjective attractive. Next, noun is act, adjective active. Next, noun is defense, adjective defensive. Next, point number 5. We form some adjectives by adding ly. For example, first noun is week, adjective weekly. Next, noun is year, adjective yearly. Next, noun is father, adjective fatherly. Next, noun is brother, adjective brotherly. Next, noun is ghost, adjective ghostly. Next, noun is friend, adjective friendly. Next, noun is cost, एडजेक्टिव कॉस्टली। नेक्स्ट नाउन इज मंथ, एडजेक्टिव मंथली। स्टूडेंट्स आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ। आई होप यू विल बी अंडरस्टूड दिस लेक्चर। स्टूडेंट्स काइंडली राइट डाउन दिस वर्क ऑन योर notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.